Hi, my name is Dr. Syed. I am a registered medical practitioner at this hospital. May I confirm your name and age, please? I understand that you are very anxious today. May I know what made you come here? Okay, so you would like to know about vaccination, specifically flu vaccine. I'll make you understand that there is a lot of false propagation and information in social media and different groups about vaccine and specifically this flu vaccine. This vaccine is nowadays not mandatory to be taken in the normal population, but it is important to be given to high risk population, specifically pregnant women, young children, elders, and reduced immunocompromised patients who have reduced immunity, like taking corticosteroids, and healthcare workers. This H influenza vaccine makes you avoid H influenza infection, which can cause flu like symptoms and can be complicated into pneumonia, inflammation of the heart, and the brain. You would have heard about the pandemic in 1920s, which was H influenza pandemic, and had a catastrophic consequences. Nowadays, this vaccine is not mandatory to a normal population, but it is recommended to be taken as it provides you to avoid such a grievous complications of H. influenza infection itself. H. influenza by itself is one of the viruses which is different from the cold and flu itself. So after getting H. influenza vaccine, you might get cold or flu, but you won't be infected up from H. influenza. It is quite safe to use this vaccination, to get this vaccination. It can cause mild discomfort at the level at the site of injection, can cause fever or flu-like symptoms or mild allergies. But rest assured, we can take care of that with with medications and even over-the-counter medications. I know that you have a concern that your boss uh, has advised you to get this vaccine to avoid this illness. And this is a very productive attitude. Your boss, if he is convincing you or allowing the workforce to get this vaccine, so he is taking care of you, it seems itself, and this is quite recommended. But I would I would rest assure you that there is no problem if you don't take the vaccine. This is your personal decision, and your boss will not be able to know regarding your medical records without your prior consent. I also rest assure you that this vaccine has no side effects and it's better to be taken. Let me summarize whatever we have discussed. Flu vaccine is quite effective way to avoid H influenza infection, which can cause pneumonia, inflammation, and the heart diseases. H influenza is different from the cold or flu, the normally which we get. It is safe to use this vaccine, and the risks are quite minimal or dismal. You can have pain at the injection site, you can have mild fever or flu sort of symptoms, which can be managed with the over the counter medications. The, at lastly, I will make you, I will reassure you that this vaccination is solely your own decision.